everybody. My name is Miss Sarah and I'm from the Fayetteville Public Library, and this is Baby Toddler Story Time. Today we're going to talk about birds. Baby Toddler Story Time is part of Summer Reading Club 2020. We hope you're reading with us this summer. All you have to do is go to faylib.org/SRC to sign up if you haven't, or to find all of our events. Also, don't forget, Summer Reading Club is for all ages. We have a program for everyone from listeners on up to adults. So be sure to join us. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, can you roll your arms with me like this? We're going to do a rhyme called Roll, Roll, Sugar Babies. And it goes like this. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, roll, sugar babies. Push, pull, push, pull, clap, clap, clap. Good job. Let's do that again. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, roll, sugar babies. Push, pull, push, pull, and clap, clap, clap. Good job. Let's do another version of it. Are you ready? Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, roll, sugar babies. Up, lift your baby up, down, up, down. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, roll, sugar babies. Up, lift up, down, up, down. Okay, this is a familiar rhyme that everybody likes. Can you put your fingers together like this? You ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Let's do another rhyme called This is Big. You put your hands together like this. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. Woo, there's a wasp. This is tall, tall, tall. Reach up high. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Good job. The book I'm going to read today is called Feathers for Lunch by Lois Ehlert. And you may notice this book is big, isn't it? This book is about a bird. There. And what else do you think it's about? What's that? A cat. Yes. This is a good book and I hope you like it. Uh-oh. Door's left open. Just a crack. My cat is out and he won't come back. He's looking for lunch. Something new. A spicy treat for today's menu. Oh, that's a blue jay. His food in a can is tame and mild. Do you know what kind of bird that is? A cardinal. Good job. So he's gone out for something wild. He's snooping and sneaking. Those birds sure look good. Do you know what kind of bird this is? It goes peck, 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 peck. Woodpecker. If he could catch one, he'd eat it. He would. Look, here's the cat's tail. Do you see it? But when his bell jingles, birds call a loud warning. Can you make a sound like a bird? Or tweet, tweet, tweet. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Big Cat got out early this morning. You think that's what the birds are saying to each other? Watch out, the big cat's out. But cats can't fly and they can't soar. No, they can't. They can climb, but they can't fly. And birds know what their wings are for. So he keeps prowling, hoping to munch. But all he catches are feathers for lunch. Oh. And it looks like he got caught, didn't he? Do you see those hands around him? Boys and girls, the neat thing about this book is it tells you about those birds in the book. It doesn't just tell you their name, but it tells you where they live and what they like to eat. That is pretty fantastic. The end. Well, I have a bird right here. Do you know what kind of bird this is? This is a blue jay. Yeah, and I'm gonna do a little rhyme with this bird. Are you ready? Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Shh. Let's do that one more time, okay? Little bird, fly around, up in the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Shh. Oh, do you guys know what these are called? Yeah, binoculars. And do you know what they're for? They're for looking at things that are far away, like birds. Yeah, you should get a pair and look through them. They're really neat. I spy with my little eye a bird far away, high up in a tree. I wonder what that bird could be. It's blue. Can you think of a bird that's blue? We may have already met one today. Who's this? Yeah, it's Blue Jay. I spy with my little eye a bird way up high in a tree. That bird is sweetly singing to me. Do you know what color it was? It was red. Oh, can you think of a bird that sings a lot and is red? Oh, a cardinal! A cardinal and a blue jay were in that book that we read. Yeah, hello, cardinal. I spy with my little eye a bird way up high in the sky. What kind of bird can that be? Boys and girls, this kind of bird flies really, really fast. His wings go fast, 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 fast. And they hardly ever stop. Do you know what kind of bird I'm talking about? Look at that. It's a hummingbird. You may even have a hummingbird feeder outside. A lot of people do. So a hummingbird has this long beak because they sip nectar, not just from your feeder, but from flowers. Yeah. I love hummingbirds. This hummingbird stuffed animal is kind of funny looking, but real hummingbirds are very pretty and delicate. I spy with my little eye a bird that you might see in a zoo. You would not see this bird if you were driving around Arkansas. This bird is pink. Do you know a bird that's pink and it has long legs? Are you ready? What kind of bird is this? Oh man, it's a flamingo. Yeah. I spy with my little eye a bird sitting on water. It's in the pond. It's swimming. Can you think of a bird like that? What kind of bird do you see a lot near water? Quack, 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 quack. Oh yeah, it's a duck. Can ducks fly? They can. They sure can. This little duck is cute. He's got a good green head and an orange beak and feet and a nice little brown body. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that story time about birds. I thought we had a lot of fun, and I hope you find some binoculars or just go out in your backyard and look in a tree for some cool birds. I bet you could spy a cardinal this time of year pretty easily. Snap everybody and say goodbye. Snap everybody and say goodbye. Snap everybody and say goodbye. Say goodbye for now. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Say goodbye for now. Bye everybody. I hope you have a great day. My name is Sarah with the Fayetteville Public Library, and we'll see you soon.